First things first, I was not feeling putting on any makeup today, so this is what y'all are gonna get for this review. I'm gonna be reviewing this Flat Tummy Shake It Baby 2-week program that I did, okay? So let's just get all the disclaimers out of the way. This is a sponsored video. So Flat Tummy, they paid me to review this and they sent me this product for free, okay? But of course, all thoughts and opinions are my own. But just in case anybody has a problem with that, I'm gonna mention it in the beginning. That way you can exit the video. Other than that, if you wanna see these bomb results I got, you can keep watching. So I tried to set this video up so that I could give y'all exactly what y'all want. What I did is I recorded my first day and my last day, which was today, of this program. This is the last pack that I have left. I'm just gonna let you watch the footage and then we're gonna come back and wrap it up. So I know y'all love when I get straight to the point, so like, that's what we're gonna do. Today, I'm starting this Flat Tummy Shake It Baby program. It's a 10-day program. So your girl is going on her honeymoon in less than a month, and I've got to be snatched. I've got to be bodied, okay? So I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try it out just to see. All right, so I'm in my bathroom. I'm gonna go ahead and get on the scale so we can see what my starting weight is, so we can see if I actually drop any weight at all. Oh, how do I switch this? Shoot. Okay, so here we go, day 1. $136.4. All right. All right, so I don't want y'all to get distracted by my messy background. I'm recording with my iPhone because it's just a lot easier. So this is my before, right? Before I've done anything at all. My stomach's not fat or anything. To me, it could be a little bit flatter, a little bit more tone. This is me relaxed, and this is me flexed. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be used as a meal replacement. So 10 ounces. 10 ounces of water or milk. So I've got this little easy thing right here to help me measure. I'm gonna put 10 ounces of my almond milk. I don't drink regular milk. So I'm gonna do my milk first, that way I have the accurate measurement of milk. So this is about 10 ounces right here. And then we're gonna open up this Extra Kick Monday, see what it's talking about. Ooh, it smells fire. It smells like a... All right, now let's shake this up, see what it's talking about. I'm living on this life. I ain't going back to vote for you. All right, this is a real live emotion right here about how I think it tastes. Okay, once again, don't focus on the background. I'm just doing a little self video in here because it's just easier. So I have 1 pack of the shake left. So I'm on my last day. I'm gonna do that today. So here kind of are my results. See, I don't know if this is HD enough for y'all to see, but I can see my little abs trying to shine through. So this is regular. This is me flexing. So regular, flexing to the side, flexing, relaxed, flexing, relaxed. All right, here's the moment of truth. Let's see. Yes. So I'm always nervous when using a shake as a meal replacement because sometimes it just is not healthy for you. But this shake in particular actually has like 50 fruits and vegetables in it. It has all these vitamins. There's no sugar added, it's gluten-free, and it's vegan, which are all things that are like big pluses for me and big pluses when you're thinking of replacing a meal. I really did not enjoy the flavor of these, but granted, you can add like your own fruits and vegetables and make a smoothie. And the only thing I did was I added milk a few times and I added water. I did like the way it tasted a lot more with water versus milk. Ooh. But y'all, it's not like disgusting to where you can't get through it. It's just like, oh, like I really expected it to be sweeter. You can also feel free to add a little bit of table sugar just to help you get through it if you don't have time to make a smoothie. For me, I'm on the go. Like I said, I'm a nurse. I was on the go. Like I needed to shake up these drinks in between seeing students at my job, okay? But like I said, you use it as a meal replacement, right? What I found worked the best for me is to drink the shake before I got hungry or before I got to the meal time. The first couple of days I was waiting until I got hungry around lunchtime, then I would drink the shake. And although it did still work for me, I didn't feel like that was as filling. Another thing that you've got to remember is this has all the stuff in it that you need to replace a full meal. I mean, it's got like 20 grams of protein or something like that. The fruits, the veggies, the vitamins, so you'll be good. It's just making sure that you don't eat with it and you actually use it for its purpose, okay? So let me know what y'all think. That is it. Of course, leave your questions and comments and all that stuff below. I'm usually good about interacting and answering questions that I did not answer in the video. I also have a coupon code. It's Ambry10 if you want to try this 2-week program. All the links and everything will be in the description box below. But other than that, thanks so much for watching, guys, and until next time.